Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing about the vaccination during pregnancy, which is a very important topic for the MCI exam or the NEET PG exam or any other exam. This is one of the tricky topic which you don't get everything all together in one place. So I have tried to simplify and make it in one place so that you don't confuse. Vaccination during pregnancy, we have divided into 4 classes: absolute safe, absolute unsafe, given during epidemic, and given only traveling to the endemic area. So which are the absolute safe means you can give it to any time, like this is not harmful or teratogenic to the baby. And absolute unsafe are which you cannot any part, any trimester, any day of the pregnancy you cannot give to the patient. And given only during epidemic because it has the potential to harm the baby, but it is given during epidemic because it's do or die situation. So in that case we can give it given only during traveling to endemic, like if the patient is traveling to endemic area like the malaria prone area or any pox prone area, then you can give during that time. So nations are hepatitis, influenza, tetanus and rabies. The mnemonic is HIT, like hit rabies. For the absolute contraindicated are mumps, measles, rubella. In that case, in the MCQ, many students do it wrong because they think that measles, small chickenpox is very common, so that can be there but those are absolute contraindicated. So the mnemonic is MMR is BC. So it's kind of funny, but this is the mnemonic, guys. Mumps, measles, rubella, chickenpox, smallpox and BCG. Only during epidemic are typhoid, pneumococcus, cholera, meningococcus. So 2 caucuses are pneumococcus, meningococcus, typhoid, cholera. Mnemonic is TAB BCM. Given only traveling to the endemic areas are yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis and polio. So these are the 4 things. This is the most simplified form I could give it to you guys. So if you like our channel, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. You are watching MD Medicine. Thanks for watching.